So this is the full signal conditioning circuit which is present in the trainer kit for the RTD experiment. If you remember, this is where the RTD was connected. It's a 3-wire RTD, and then we had a switch and we could flip that switch and obtain the reading for the ohm, that is the RTD resistance in the 7-segment display, or we could flip it to the temperature portion and show the corresponding value of temperature. This is the analog portion, and then you have the display which should be digital, so there must be the presence of an analog to digital converter inside the trainer kit. Now we come to the basic building blocks which make up this entire circuit, and one by one, if you look at this particular building block, we can identify this as the difference amplifier. We can identify this circuit as the inverting amplifier. These are the potentiometers, and you can locate the voltage dividers, not the perfect voltage dividers, but the ones which have a finite load resistance, but the value of load resistance is pretty high. So you can locate this as one of the voltage divider. This is the second voltage divider, and this one is the third voltage divider. Again, as I said, we can assume this to be a ideal voltage divider. That means it's looking into a very high value of resistance either on this side or on this side, and sort of we can approximate this as an ideal voltage divider circuit. Now, if you observe this particular amplifier, this is one arm connected to the inverting input terminal, and this is the second arm where it goes to a potentiometer, but we can always convert this potentiometer in this structure. As we saw in our last video, that you can always break it into two resistances, and because R11 is a 1 kilo ohm resistor, this is the Y part, we can break it into a resistance of X kilo ohm and 1 minus X kilo ohm. But note that there is some voltage available at this node. Now, returning back to this particular circuit, we have seen one arm. This is the second arm which is connected to some node voltage over at this particular node. So this circuit will act as an inverting adder. So here are the components which are used for this particular circuit. You have the resistors which have a tolerance of plus minus 10%. All the operational amplifiers are OP07. Then we have an ADC with an inbuilt 7-segment display driver, and the ADC is ICL7107. So looking at this ADC, you have the reference terminals and the input terminal, and ICL7107 has the following properties. It's a 3.5 digit ADC which is of dual slope type. It has a very high input resistance, and this is based on ratiometric display. So the digital reading that you find here is 1000 times V in by Vref, where Vref is the voltage difference across the reference plus and the reference minus terminals, and V in is the voltage difference between these two input terminals.